Hello, you're probably watching this because you are trying to figure out how to rate people on YouTube. The first thing you need to do is find your own stream, go into it, select edit video. Now go to customization. Now scroll all the way to the bottom. There is a thing that says redirect. Click on this. You can either write into your own stream or you can write into someone else's. Keep in mind, this tab prioritizes people who you are subscribed to. If you can't see them here, you can either, number one, go subscribe to them. Number two, type in their handle here, and you can find their stream. One thing to keep in mind is that you need 1,000 subscribers before you can write into someone else. Also, keep in mind that YouTube writes are off by default. So if you have someone you want to write and the options grayed out, you can just drop into the chat to ask them or maybe off stream with whatever suits you. Hopefully this one helps, and we will also cover how to enable your channel to be rated by other people on YouTube. Once your stream ends, so once you have select someone, say here we'll pick BB Live as an example, and we just hit save. Then now the settings saved. Once you hit end stream, either in YouTube or on OBS, the rate will happen. To enable rate on YouTube, first thing you need to go into your YouTube studio, go down to settings. In the settings button, go to community moderation tab. In the community moderation tab, go to user management. Now scroll all the way down. What you want to do is make sure the all channel can redirect my content is checked. Then just hit save. And that's all. Now people can rate into your channel. Hope this helps, and if the information has been helpful, feel free to leave a like, and subscribe or not, it's up to you. That's all for now.